Two friends come to visit Quick Bite Pastry to relax because of the hot weather. They also wanted to enjoy the food. At the scenery of the ocean, after they found a vacant table, the waiter approached them and greeted them with a pleasant smile. The waiter handed the menu to them so they could choose what dessert they want, while the other customers were choosing their food. One of the friends was chatting with the waiter. After chatting, the friends were ready to order. They ordered 3 cups of halo-halo. After a couple of minutes, the order arrived fast, so they enjoyed it. After the dessert was handed to them, they enjoyed eating and watching the scenery of ocean. The waiter approached them to clear the cups, and after that, the waiter came back for the bill. While paying the bill, the waiter asked them how their day was eating the Quick Bite Pastry. And the customer replied with satisfied faces. After the customer left, another customer came in. While fixing his things and watching his phone, the waiter approached him and asked he want to order. So the waiter handed him the menu so he could pick what he want after the minute. The customer decided to order 1 cup of halo-halo. The waiter came back and handed the customer his order a minute. The waiter came back for the bill, so the waiter handed him the receipt. The waiter asked the customer how the food was, and the customer replied that it was so delicious. So the waiter said thank you and have a nice day.